Have you ever stared at an algebra problem, maybe something with an x or a y, and just thought, why on earth are there letters mixed in with my numbers? It can feel like trying to read a secret code. Well, you are definitely not alone in feeling that way. It's one of the biggest hurdles for students. But I have great news for you. Today, that confusion ends for good. We're going to crack that code together step by step. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This lesson is your foundational guide to algebra, designed specifically for absolute beginners. We'll start with the absolute basics and build from there, ensuring you feel confident at every stage. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of the core concepts. Specifically, you'll understand what variables really mean and why we use them, the simple rules for how to add and subtract those variables, how algebra is secretly a part of your everyday life, from budgeting to cooking, and finally, why learning this skill opens up incredible new doors, both academically and in your future career. I promise you, this is not as hard as it looks. If you can add and subtract regular numbers, you already have the main skill you need to do algebra. So, if you're ready to finally build real confidence in math and unlock a new way of thinking, do me a favor and like this video, and let's get started. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers. Instead of always knowing the number, algebra helps us represent unknown values, solve problems, make predictions. Think of algebra as a language for solving real-life problems. Key idea. Arithmetic asks, what is the answer? Algebra asks, what could the answer be? Ever seen letters mixed in with numbers in math and felt a little lost? You're not alone. Today, we're going to demystify one of the most fundamental concepts in algebra, the variable. So, what exactly is a variable? Think of it like a box or a placeholder. A variable is a symbol, usually a letter, that holds the spot for a value we don't know yet. Its whole job is to stand in for a number until we can figure out what that number is. The most common letters you'll see are X and Y, but truly, any letter can be a variable. You might see a for apple, N for number, or T for time. The letter itself is just a label for our unknown quantity. For example, if I say x equals 5, that means the variable x is no longer a mystery. It stands for the number 5. We've solved for the unknown. But why do we even need them? Variables are powerful because they help us write general rules that work for any number, solve problems where values might change, and think about math in a more flexible and abstract way. Let's try a quick practice. In the equation x plus 3 equals 7, what number is x representing? If you guess 4, you're exactly right because 4 plus 3 equals 7. How about this one? A minus 2 equals 6. Here, the variable e is a placeholder for the number 8. See? Variables aren't mysteries to be afraid of. They are simply placeholders waiting for the right number. Remember, these letters are not scary. They are just numbers in disguise, waiting to be revealed. Adding variables. X plus x equals 2x, 3x plus 2x equals 5xy, because they are like terms. Like terms rule, you can only add or subtract terms that have the same variable, the same exponent. Examples. 4x plus 6x equals 10x, 4x plus 3. You cannot combine subtracting variables. 7x minus 2x equals 5x, 10e minus e equals 9e. Teaching tip. If the letters match, you can combine them. If they don't match, leave them alone. You might think algebra is just for math class, but it's actually a secret tool you use every day. It's the hidden logic behind many of your daily decisions, from your wallet to your weekend plans. Let's explore a few real-life scenarios where algebra is already at play. Money and budgeting, trying to figure out your weekly pay. If you earn an unknown amount, which we'll call X dollars per hour, and you work for 8 hours, your total income is a simple algebraic expression, 8 times x. This helps you plan your budget and see how many hours you need to work to reach a savings goal. Shopping and discounts. Imagine a shirt costs X dollars, but it's on sale for 20% off. The discount is 0.20 times X. So the final price you pay is X minus 0.20X. You're using algebra to instantly calculate your savings and become a smarter shopper. Cooking and recipes in the kitchen. A recipe for 4 people calls for 2 cups of flour. If you're cooking for 8, how much do you need? You can set up a proportion 2 over 4 equals x over 8. Solving for x tells you that you need 4 cups. Algebra ensures your meal is perfect, no matter the party size. Travel and planning a road trip. The formula distance equal sign rotate time is pure algebra. If you need to travel 200 miles at an average speed of 50 miles per hour, you can solve for time. Your trip will take 4 hours. Algebra is your co-pilot, helping you estimate arrival times and plan your journey. So the reality is, you don't escape algebra by avoiding it. You're already using it without even noticing. Algebra builds problem-solving skills, strengthens logical thinking, improves decision-making, increases career opportunities. Algebra is the prerequisite to all the other mathematics courses. That is why it's important to learn it. More importantly, algebra teaches you how to think, not just how to calculate. Mindset shift. Algebra is not about memorizing, it's about understanding patterns. Let's recap. Variables represent unknowns. Like terms can be added or subtracted, algebra applies to real life. Algebra builds confidence and opportunity. You are capable of mastering algebra step by step. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly math lessons. Share this video with someone who fears algebra. Comment below. What part of algebra do you want next? Equations or word problems? Your math confidence starts here. This lesson is perfect for students new to algebra, adults returning to math, parents helping their children. Anyone who wants math confidence, stay to the end to see why algebra is one of the most important subjects you'll ever learn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math made simple. Next, real-life applications of algebra, money, shopping, business, and careers. Algebra is important because it builds problem-solving skills, strengthens thinking, and opens opportunities. To wrap up, variables are unknowns, like terms combine, and algebra builds confidence. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time and keep practicing. You're building something impactful. This lesson is a solid foundation.